What's up, guys? So I'm gonna make a little bit of a video here talking about some of the stuff that's just happened. Um, just kind of getting some of the news that's going on. It seems like Kobe Bryant and his daughter was in a helicopter crash sometime earlier today, and sadly, it looks like they both have perished in that helicopter crash, and that is so sad. I can't even imagine what the family's going through, especially the wife losing her husband and her child. It's just a very bad tragedy. Apparently there was 9 people in the chopper, so it was a big chopper. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit of clip of the aerial of it, and it's pretty sad, guys. My thoughts and prayers are going out to the family right now. Kobe Bryant was a huge basketball star, but more than that, he was a stellar father. If you've seen any of the pictures of him and his daughter together, always smiling, happy, it's really sad. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that aerial.
Hey, it's Chad. We don't have a reporter. Yeah.
Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I just wanted to put this video out there, sending my thoughts and prayers to the family in this trying time. That's why I always say, guys, be kind to each other, because you never know when the good Lord's going to call you up and it's your last day here. It could be something as simple as, walking across the street or flying in a helicopter. You just never know. So take each day as a blessing. Love your family. Give thanks to God every day that you're above ground is a good day. And it's a sad day. And I'm definitely in the basketball community. And I know there was a lot of fans and a lot of his peers that is going through a lot of pain right now. So just send positive thoughts and vibes out to everybody, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm going to end it. As always, guys, be kind to each other. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one.
I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean and no longer a fiend. I do this for you.